Hey everyone, so our next video, ooh, that sun is something else. It's early in the morning here. This video coming up is just mowing. We fixed the blades, replaced the blades on the mower, and now we're going to spin it up and do some mowing. So stay tuned. Glad you're with us. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Nothing blew up. Okay, we're going to get the camera back in place after it was pointed backwards to watch the startup. Nothing blew up, as I said. Got the forks on here as we get started, and that's because this is immediately after the last video where we got the blades put on the mower and set it down, and then we just got it hooked up and going out and giving it a test mow here to just simply make sure that everything is working, that we didn't do anything wrong, and it spun up without a problem, mows without a problem. And so we're just starting to mow this. This is the one of the two fields that we had cleared last year, and you can see the brush is coming up, trying to reestablish itself, and we need to keep it mowed, and we're way behind on the mowing, and we're way behind because it was such a wet spring that we could not even get in the fields until late June to do any mowing. So we're just trying to get caught up here after getting the blades on the mower and get it going. We'll just enjoy the mow for a little bit, and we'll go from here. So Melissa just called, and I'm going to spin around here and meet her up at the top where we started, and she's just updating me on some of the stuff she was doing, and then we'll get mowing again. Alright, doing a drive-by here, camera change, little angle change, just to break it up a little bit. We're going to do it down and back here. Notice the grapple is on, and that is the way I usually mow. We'll see that in a minute when we get back into the tall grasses of the other side. The grapple really helps mow when you're in the long grass and you can't see anything. And here we are starting out. Got to speed it up a little bit, but that grapple is down and closed. The object of the grapple is if there are rocks or logs or other things in the area, you'll bump it with the grapple, hopefully, before you get it in under the mower. And this again is the second field, the other end of the field that we had done last year. The grasses aren't quite as tall because they're more brush than grass. They're the woody stuff trying to get started again. That's why we need to keep it mowed. The golden that you see up front are fields that we cleared in 2019, and they are predominantly growing field grasses. We're going to mow those too, and you'll see that in just a second. But we've got to get this original part of the field, or this newest cleared part of this field, done. So everything from this goose house down is been cleared in 2019. And you can see the difference in the grasses that are here from an established field versus the newly cleared field. Now to my left here there's a creek bed, and that creek bed was dug out and some of the dirt is in piles in the grass, so we're just trying to watch where the creek bed is and where the dirt piles are, and they're all covered in grass, and it gets a little difficult. Here we're just going to make a pass around the newly cleared part of the field. This is kind of a little L-shaped area. And we're going to hang to the left here and run down that lot line on this side. We had it cleared, we had the property surveyed the year before the forestry grinder came in, so we cleared it right to the property line. Here we are looking out the back window as we mow along. It's a little different view. The camera really should be tipped down farther, but it is what it is. I work alone as a camera person. I can't always check these cameras to make sure they're exactly where they should be. It's part of doing it by yourself. But this is a great shot out the back of the tractor as we mow across the main field here. And here's another reason why I carry the grapple around. This isn't a rock, but it's a bush that was hard enough that we were checking it to make sure there wasn't something there, and I'm able to go in with the grapple and dig at it and determine, is it a rock or is it just something else that we can take out? And this happened to be something else that we could just take out. We'll move along here. The fields are really tore up because it was so wet this spring. We did run the tractor a couple of places and it just tore the field all to heck. So it's really rough through here. We're going to have to do some work on that when we move up there permanently. Get a harrow or something that we can level these out a little bit when they get banged up. But you can see I'm kind of starting and stopping here. That's because my tires are dropping in and out of the ruts that were created by the tractor in the spring of the year. Okay, we're gonna finish up right now. You see all that styrofoam that's been blown around by the wind, and so we're getting that picked up and moved and weighted down better. But that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Hope you like the mowing videos. We only do about one a year of them, even though we are mowing constantly. So you like and subscribe. We really like having you guys around. Leave a comment. I do interact with anybody who comments in most cases, as long as you're nice. And have a great day.